Experiencing problems with your Red Pocket eSIM? Let's address the common issues. First, if your QR code doesn't arrive, check your spam folder and ensure your email is correct in Red Pocket's system. Request a resend via the app or website. If you're still having trouble, try downloading it using a different browser. Next, confirm your device is compatible. Newer iPhones iOS 17 Plus and Androids usually work, but older models might not. Check Red Pocket's website for compatibility details and ensure your device is unlocked. If your eSIM installs but doesn't connect to the network, try deleting the eSIM profile and reinstalling it using the QR code. You can find this in your phone's settings under Cellular or Mobile Network. If reinstalling the profile doesn't work, contact Red Pocket support for a force reset. They can remotely reset your eSIM profile. Keep in mind that QR codes expire, so use them promptly. Looking ahead, eSIM technology is becoming more common, offering benefits like easy switching between carriers. Red Pocket is working on updates, including AI-assisted troubleshooting within their app and increased QR code security using blockchain. While most activations are successful, MVNOs like Red Pocket can sometimes have higher failure rates than major carriers due to third-party dependencies. Stay updated with Red Pocket's official resources for the latest troubleshooting steps.